how to add another iCloud account on iPhone. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply log into or search in for iCloud.com and just click on sign up or create an account and just fill in all of these details over here. And once you create your new iCloud account, just head back to your settings. After filling all of these mentioned details such as first name, last name, country, region, date of birth, etc. So you can easily fill that up and head back to your settings. Under your iCloud account, just tap on this iCloud account settings and just sign out from over here, and make sure to remember your passcode, which it will ask automatically. So once you successfully sign out from your account, before completely signing out, it will ask you to either or not keep a copy of your data on this iPhone or not. So you can basically choose on your choice. Based on your choice, you can simply enable or disable these options from over here and just choose it, and just tap on sign out button at the top, just like that, and you should be successfully signed out with the data being copied to your iCloud account for this iPhone. So once you successfully logged out of your iCloud account, you should get such interface. So just tap on this first option, that is Apple account. Now simply tap on sign in manually and just enter the email which we just registered to create a new iCloud account from over here, and just enter your passcode and you should be successfully logged into your new iCloud account, just like that. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.